This isn't over, Superman.
Don't be so sure.
Insolent fool! You're destabilizing the boom tube!
I'm amazed you didn't kill us.
Save it, Luthor. You're going to jail, but this time you'll be someplace much more secure than Stryker's Island.
What?
Don't worry. I'll make sure your cell has a nice view of Earth.
Reports are coming in that Darkseid has been defeated by Superman. Though the invasion is in fact over, the looting continues.
Deathstroke, how's it going? Yeah, it's been a while. I got all the money for you. No, please! I got the money! Ah!
You should have paid up sooner. You'd still have a head. Metropolis isn't your turf. I suggest you run back to Keystone City before something bad happens.
Don't bother getting up, Deathstroke. You're going to jail.
Not without a fight.
Round one. Fight!
Flash to Wonder Woman. I just went 3 rounds with Deathstroke.
I'll contact Metropolis PD. I need you in Gotham.
No problem. I'll...
Flash, are you okay?
I'm all right. Just dizzy.
You've been running from city to city for hours. Forget about Gotham. I'll ask Martian Manhunter.
I'm fine, Diana. I just felt strange for a moment. I'm on my way to Gotham now.
Busy night for the Bat, and even he can't be everywhere at once. What he doesn't know won't hurt him.
No, but it might end up hurting you in the long run. Hand it over, Catwoman.
Sorry, Red. No can do. I'm protecting it.
I can never figure you out. One minute you're a hero, the next you're a criminal.
I'm a complicated woman.
You know, I don't feel like chasing you anymore.
And I don't have time to explain myself.
We don't have to fight.
Oh, but I want to.
Round one. Fight!
This is why I don't play nice with you hero types.
This ought to fetch a tidy sum.
All right, what's your deal?
You don't look so good, mate.
I'll take that.
Hey!
What the?
Hand over the gem.
Back off, freak. She took it.
So you helped her escape.
I don't like your attitude. You need to be taught some manners. You'd give Cabal a run for his money.
My turn.